Once upon a time in the bustling city of accountancy, there lived a creative entrepreneur named Anthony. Anthony had a passion for making and selling unique handmade pottery. His small business was growing, and he wanted to understand how to track his business's spending. So he went to his wise mentor, Professor Clay, who was a renowned expert in accounting. Professor Clay began by explaining that in accounting, expenses represent the cost of operations that a business incurs to generate revenue. They're the outflows of money or other resources to support the business's activities. To illustrate this, Anthony shared that he recently bought some high-quality clay for his pottery, which cost him $20. Professor Clay explained that this would be recorded as a cost of goods sold, a direct cost associated with creating his products. Next, Anthony mentioned that he had rented a charming studio in the heart of the city for $500 a month to conduct his pottery business. Professor Clay explained that this would be recorded as an operating expense, a cost necessary for running his business. He also noted that just like rent, utilities, such as electricity and water, would also be operating expenses. After a few months, Anthony decided to invest in a new pottery wheel, which cost him $1,000. Professor Clay explained that since this was a long-term asset that would be used for several years, it would be recorded as a capital expense. As his business grew, Anthony hired a talented marketing assistant to help promote his pottery. The salary he pays his assistant is $300 a month, which is recorded as another operating expense. After several years of running his business, Anthony was happy to see that his hard work was paying off. He had a loyal customer base and his pottery was in demand. By diligently tracking his expenses, he was able to make informed decisions about pricing, marketing, and other aspects of his business. So Anthony, the creative entrepreneur, continued his journey as a potter, always remembering the importance of tracking his expenses, and happily ever after, he became a successful potter. And that's the end of today's story. Thanks for watching. This video was creatively created by Creativo Solutions with the use of artificial intelligence. See you in the next video.